Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing, an exciting way to earn money online by promoting products you love. If you're curious about how to make passive income or start a new side hustle, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Affiliate marketing is like being a friendly recommender. Imagine telling your friend about an awesome new coffee shop you found. You rave about their delicious lattes and cozy atmosphere. Your friend, intrigued by your recommendation, decides to check it out. Affiliate marketing works similarly, but on a digital scale. Instead of a coffee shop, you're recommending products or services online. This could be anything from physical goods like headphones to digital subscriptions like online courses. You promote these offerings through unique links provided to you as an affiliate. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Essentially, you're connecting businesses with potential customers. You get rewarded for driving sales their way. It's a win-win situation for both parties involved. Plus, it allows you to earn money online by promoting products you genuinely believe in. Affiliate marketing thrives on trust and authenticity. Your recommendations carry weight because they come from your own experiences or expertise. This makes it a powerful marketing strategy as people are more likely to trust recommendations from sources they know and respect. By creating valuable content, you can attract a loyal audience. Engaging with your audience builds trust and increases the likelihood of conversions. Tracking your performance helps you understand what works best. With dedication and effort, affiliate marketing can become a significant income stream. And just like recommending that coffee shop, it can be a rewarding experience. Let's explore the fascinating history of affiliate marketing and discover how long it has shaped the online business landscape. Affiliate marketing has come a long way since its inception. In the early days of the internet, it was a novel concept. Businesses quickly realized the potential of partnering with affiliates to drive sales. It has evolved into a sophisticated digital marketing strategy over the years. Today, affiliate marketing is a key component of many companies' marketing plans. It continues to grow and adapt to the ever-changing digital landscape. Let's dive into the dynamic world of affiliate marketing and explore the key players who drive its success. In the world of affiliate marketing, there are several key players that make the ecosystem function smoothly. First, we have the merchant, also known as the retailer or brand. They are the ones who create the product or service. Next, there are the affiliates, sometimes called publishers. These are the marketers who promote the merchant's products. Then we have the consumers, who are the end users of the products or services being promoted. Finally, there are the affiliate networks, which act as intermediaries between merchants and affiliates, providing tracking, reporting, and payment solutions. Each of these key players plays an essential role in the affiliate marketing ecosystem, ensuring that the entire process flows smoothly and effectively. Uncover the inner workings of affiliate marketing, where every click transforms into a commission, and learn how this powerful process fuels success. When a user clicks on an affiliate link, they are directed to the merchant's website. The affiliate link contains a unique tracking code that identifies the affiliate. If the user makes a purchase, the sale is tracked back to the affiliate, who then earns a commission. This process is seamless and allows affiliates to earn passive income by promoting products they believe in. All right, folks, let's dive into exploring different types of affiliate programs. There are actually several models out there, each with its own unique benefits. So let's get started. The first type is the pay-per-sale model. This is the most common type of affiliate program. In this model, the affiliate earns a commission whenever a sale is made through their referral link. It's straightforward and highly effective. Next, we have the pay-per-click model. Here, affiliates earn money based on the number of visitors they send to the merchant's website, regardless of whether a sale is made. This model is great for driving traffic. Another popular type is the pay-per-lead model. Affiliates earn a commission when the referred visitor completes a specific action, such as signing up for a newsletter or filling out a contact form. This model is excellent for generating leads. Lastly, there's the pay-per-install model, which is common in the software and app industry. Affiliates earn a commission when users install a software or app through their referral link. This model is perfect for tech-savvy marketers. Each of these models has its own unique advantages, and the best one for you will depend on your specific goals and audience. So take your time to explore and choose the right affiliate program that aligns with your strategy. Next up, let's talk about popular affiliate platforms. These platforms play a crucial role in connecting businesses and marketers, making it easier than ever to collaborate and grow together. Affiliate platforms act as intermediaries, providing a space where businesses can list their products and services, and marketers can find opportunities to promote them. These platforms offer various tools and resources to help both parties succeed. For businesses, they provide access to a vast network of marketers who can drive traffic and sales. For marketers, they offer a wide range of products to choose from, along with tracking and reporting tools to monitor performance. Some well-known affiliate platforms include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and Commission Junction. Each platform has its own unique features and benefits, catering to different types of businesses and marketing strategies. By leveraging these platforms, businesses and marketers can build mutually beneficial relationships, driving growth and success in the digital market. Now let's explore the benefits of affiliate marketing. One of the standout advantages is its low risk and high reward potential. That's right. As a business owner, you only pay for actual sales or leads generated by the affiliate, making it a cost-effective marketing strategy. This means you can allocate your marketing budget more efficiently, focusing on strategies that yield tangible results. Plus, the potential for high returns is, well, quite significant. Many businesses have seen exponential growth through affiliate marketing, leveraging the power of partnerships to expand their reach. By collaborating with affiliates who have a strong online presence, you can tap into new markets and customer bases. Ultimately, the low risk and high reward potential make affiliate marketing an attractive option for businesses of all sizes. So now let's talk about the challenges in affiliate marketing. Navigating a competitive landscape can be, well,
absolutely. With so many content creators and marketers out there, standing out requires a unique approach and consistent effort.
right, you need to find your niche, understand your audience, and, stay ahead of trends.
And don't forget about the importance of building strong relationships with both your audience and the merchants you promote. It's all about trust and authenticity.
Yeah, exactly. And of course, staying updated with the latest tools and techniques can give you that extra edge.
It's definitely challenging, but with dedication and the right strategies, you can succeed even in a crowded market.
Remember, continuous learning and networking are key. Stay connected with industry experts and always be open to new ideas. Getting started with affiliate marketing can seem daunting, but we're here to break it down for you. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide to help you get on your way.
First, choose a niche that you're passionate about. This will make the process a lot more enjoyable and sustainable in the long run.
Next, research and join affiliate programs that align with your niche. Look for programs that offer good commissions and have a solid reputation.
After that, create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. This can be in the form of blog posts, videos, or social media updates.
Finally, promote your affiliate links naturally within your content. Be honest and transparent with your audience about your affiliations. Monitor your performance and adjust your strategy as needed to maximize your earnings. So you've started your affiliate marketing journey. Now let's talk about some strategies for growth and success.
One key strategy is leveraging SEO. Optimize your content with relevant keywords to improve your search engine rankings and drive organic traffic to your site. Regularly monitor your SEO performance and adjust your strategies accordingly.
Don't underestimate the power of social media. Engage with your audience on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Share your affiliate links in a way that feels authentic and valuable. Track your social media metrics to understand what works best.
Consistency is crucial. Regularly update your content and stay engaged with your audience. Building trust takes time, but it pays off in the long run. With dedication and the right strategies, your affiliate marketing efforts will flourish. Let's recap the power and potential of affiliate marketing. It's an incredible way to earn passive income while sharing products and services you believe in. With dedication and the right strategies, the possibilities are endless. Affiliate marketing allows you to leverage your audience and influence to generate revenue. By partnering with brands and promoting their products, you can create a steady stream of income. The key is to choose products that align with your niche and resonate with your audience. Consistency and authenticity are crucial. As you build trust with your audience, your recommendations will carry more weight, leading to higher conversions. Remember, the potential of affiliate marketing is vast, and with the right approach, you can achieve remarkable success. Now it's your turn. Take action and embark on your affiliate marketing journey. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Start today and watch your efforts grow into something amazing. Begin by identifying your niche and researching the best affiliate programs that align with your interests. Create valuable content that resonates with your audience and promotes the products or services you believe in. Utilize social media, blogs, and email marketing to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Stay consistent, track your progress, and continuously optimize your strategies. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn from your experiences. With dedication and persistence, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey today and turn your passion into profit. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Happy marketing!